Lauren Conrad's craft closet.
Whoa!
Yes. So
I'm not even a crafter, but that makes me want a scrapbook.
I
We don't know how to craft either,
we don't know how to
we
craft
do love to organize a craft space
Yes.
too.
This is also a little bit of her gift wrap space within her craft room. And one thing that you can't really see because it's so beautifully placed, but it's with the wrapping paper, there's actually an acrylic riser that you would put like a little collectible, like a baseball or a figurine, and you flip it upside down,
And then
it becomes a holder
rack for
wrapping paper.
Yeah,
Wrapping
it
paper
holds it on the
rolls.
shelf.
You guys, I'm telling you, it's the
know,
most
right?
important
Yeah.
thing we've ever done. Okay, like when we figured
you
this out.
thought, okay, super huge, beautiful star, Vivica Fox, and now we're gonna just talk about boxes. But now you're like, boxes!
It's amazing. It's really smart. That acrylic riser, man, that's a good one. Okay, all right,
That's
all right.
sexy.
Yes, it is. Okay, so now we can also organize all this ribbon that can
Yes.
be loose and spooling all over. If you get one of these containers that has these nice little holes, it stays
Do
so
they
pretty.
sell them this way?
Yeah.
Yes,
They just
it's
sell them.
amazing.
And look how cute. I mean, they're so cute. And then you know exactly what colors you have,
Yeah,
what sizes
it's
you
amazing.
have.
Oh my God, I need this in my life.
Yes. And if you're a DIYer, you could easily make something like
Right,
this.
I'm not a
We would-
DIYer,
No.
but at Christmas,
I'm not a DIYer
I
either.
help Santa wrap quite a few
Yes.
gifts.
It's nice.
This is awesome.
And you could
Yeah,
do it
it's
by
so fun.
holiday too. Like you could have one
Right.
for only like Christmas
Ooh, we haven't
ribbon,
even
only
done that.
Hanukkah ribbon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
I'm taking these.
Yeah, sure are.